Get out of comfort zone, they say, yet they crave for comfort food. If you're like me, who craves for comfort food once in a while, then this video is for you. Let's make my comfort food. I've soaked in about 1 cup of basmati rice. Soak in half an hour, 45 minutes before you start the preparation. Then I've diced all the vegetables and then kept them ready. Now, once that is done, let's add a little tadka in the cooker. I've added about 4 tablespoons of ghee here, a bay leaf, a little jeera or cumin seeds. I've also added shahi jeera, as we call it. Well, I don't know what they say for that in English, so I'm not going to bother more about it. I've added about some cardamom, black cardamom, both green and black cardamom. In fact, I've added a stick of cinnamon, half an inch. Once all these start releasing their aroma in the clarified butter or ghee, as we call it here in India, then I have added the veggies. Yes, I added some ginger garlic paste, about half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Yeah, ensure add ginger garlic paste after you add in the onions. Otherwise, it starts spluttering just the way it was doing here. Well, I was being cautious, but I enjoyed when I saw the video and I saw the footage of this splutter. I was enjoying this moment. Maybe the clarified butter didn't like the ginger garlic paste in it and it said, okay, I'm rejecting you outright now. Probably if I had soft launched it, it would be absolutely okay. And then I added in some onions, fry them till they are translucent in color. Then you can add in the veggies. Well, I have added potatoes, carrots, French beans. I don't know why they call it French beans, but they are called French beans. And some green peas. This is one of the nicest way you can sneak in vegetables. Since this vegetable rice is not spicy, it can be eaten even by kids also. I love the way the colors are looking in this video. Just have a look at them. You see orange, you see a little bit of yellow from the potatoes and the greens from the French beans and the green peas. Add in a little salt. You know, salt helps release moisture from the veggies, and then that adds in water into the vegetables. So the veggies here are nicely cooked now. Once that is done, I've added in the soaked basmati rice along with 1.5 cups of water, 1/3 cup. So here I've added basic spices like red chili powder, garam masala, and I had dry mango powder, so I've added that for the tanginess. Well, I don't. I would have made it a little more spicy, but then since I was craving for the comfort today, I didn't want to add in too many masalas into it, too many spices into it. So I've added the bare minimum of just the garam masala, the dry mango powder, chili powder, and a little bit of turmeric. You know, turmeric is an antioxidant, and it helps cut down on the inflammation in the body. Yes, Indian cooking does have a lot of curry leaves, then we have turmeric and all that. We enjoy eating. There's a flavor, there's a flavor, blast of flavor in the mouth when you eat all these things. When all the spices come together, it definitely adds a kind of blast in your mouth. I've added the basmati rice, the soaked basmati rice, and about 1/3 cup of water here. And once I've added the water, I've just allowed it to cook for some more time without the lid. And once that is done, I've added the lid here. Well, this is a comfort food for me, and I enjoy eating this. It's an easy one pot meal, absolutely easy to make at home. Even when you're in a hurry, you can make this. If you add very less of spice, then I'm sure the kids will enjoy eating it too. Well, I have allowed only 2 whistles. So after the 2 whistles are done, so I have switched off the gas and allowed it to cook in itself for some time. I didn't release the pressure of the gas for some time. Now you can see how aromatic it has turned out. I know you can't get the aroma in the video here, but trust me, it turned out so well. So what was the accompaniments for this? I prepared yogurt rice, dahi rice, you call it, or we call it here in South India, we call it the curd rice. Since I didn't have a lot of veggies today, what I did was I added the bare minimum of what I had at home. So curd rice is again another, or yogurt rice is another comfort food which we have it here in South India. Whenever a person is sick, or he is not allowed to eat any spicy food, doctors also suggest them eat yogurt rice. It's very soothing for the stomach, very soft on the palate. It does not have any spice. Well, if you wish, you can add a little bit of green chilies in this. I've not added any of it since I wanted basic comfort food today. I've given in, of course, a tadka of the chana dal and the urad dal. Then I've made another dish which is, you can call it raita or you can call it a salad. I've added onions, tomatoes, and diced cucumber in a bowl. Then I've added in a little salt and half a lemon juice. That's it, and a bit of coriander. This is so soothing. The entire combination of these three things is so soothing. I can't explain to you. As I am recording even for this video, my mouth is still watering. I would love to eat this any day when I know that I don't want to do any fancy stuff. I've showed you what I do fancy at home. Home, comfort, nothing like it. So this is what I've done. And then of course the vegetable salad on the side. Here you go. This is how I plated it. And well, if you like, do share in the comments what's your comfort food. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you all.